What's up, 7071 fans? I got a 70 Torino here, GT. It's a 351 Cleveland 2-barrel. I'm going to do a walk around on it and show you what's here. It's a 2-barrel Cleveland C4 tranny, 9-inch rear end, 300 open. So this is a survivor car, original 140,000 mile car that needs a complete restoration. There is some mild rust in it, but overall it's a pretty nice car. So we'll take you through it and we'll look at all the body panels. We got the left front fender is very nice, all original. It's got the GT strip down the bottom of it. The chrome along the back of the hood. Fender is in good shape. 14.7 magnums on it with trim rings. It's got a standard front end, non-hideaway. So let's see underneath. It is got a good engine support on it, good core support, good strut rods support. See if I can bring this up a little bit. Everything's pretty solid up front. Grill has the typical sag in the middle of it. Front bumper's good, nice and straight. Front valance. It's got a little, no, it's reflection, so no, it's nice. Good shape on it. It's nice and straight. Okay, under the hood. All original car, under the hood. Good hood hinges on it, disc brakes, power disc brakes. Inner apron, it's got some rot down on the bottom of it. And the right front apron, battery apron. Core support's good though. And typical sag right here. Apron shock towers aren't cut. Power steering. Non-air conditioning. 2-barrel Cleveland, all original air cleaner. Bottom of the hood's nice. '70 hood latch. Some people don't know the difference between the 70 and the 71 latch. 71 is thick like this, and the 70 has this cutout like this. Nice little 70, 71 fact if you're a fan of them, which a lot of people are. Nice GT hood. Really nice hood. Straight, fits straight. Okay, right front fender. Fender extensions are good on both sides. Here's the left front fender extension. It's nice and good, fits nice. Fitment's good on both sides. Right front fender. It's got a little bit of a ding right in here. Wheel lip moldings are good. Rocker strip's good. So that hood fits nice. Okay, door, good shape. Exterior skin in really nice condition. Actually, very nice condition on this side. Inside the door, very nice. Door panels are off. They're sitting in the back seat. Right rear quarter. Not bad. All original. This is an all original car. It's a clear glass car, by the way. All glass clear in it. Right rear quarter. Wheel lip moldings in good condition. Quarter has been tapped on the back. Somebody backing up. So the quarter extension's dinged in. This has got a slight roll to it. It's an easy fix. Bottom of the quarter panel, not bad. There is some checking in here, so you know, you're not going to know exactly until you get into it. So there's wheelhouses, not bad. Okay. Rear valance, pretty toasted. Rear bumper, finish not good, but it's straight. GT taillight, needs a little repair. Chrome strips a little dinged up on it. GT deck lid, it's got some warbles right in this area. Left rear quarter panel extension good. Left rear quarter panel, it's got a little bit of a wave right in here. Rust, minimal. A little bit of blistering right in here. Something's been done in here. So that's a tender area that's going to need attention. These 7071s are very susceptible to rust. And this has got some miscellaneous spots of rust. Wheelhouse looks pretty good. Okay. A little bit of a wave right in here. The roof, it's not corrosive, but it does need some treatment. Drip rail moldings look good. Something going on right in here. Needs a full restoration, but the roof skin looks nice. The roof skin looks very nice. Windshield not cracked, but does have a slight wiper burn in it right in there, and I can't feel that with my finger, so that's not going to be able to be polished. Okay. Driver's door outer skin. It's got some blistering right in this area. I don't know what's going on right there, but I don't see anything in the inside. The actual inside skin doesn't look too bad. So, like I say, inside the skin looks actually really nice. Down on the bottom, lip needs some work. Okay. So another thing too, striker pin's been misaligned. This has had a repair job on it. So you're gonna need a inner skin in here. And we'll go ahead and start looking at the underneath of the car. Excuse me for a second. Okay, this car has been in Oregon a long time, so it's not bad for rust. It's not an East Coast car, so nothing like that. But it has got, the floorboards are not looking bad, but there is a couple of areas that need attention. This area in particular is a little bit tender, but not rusted through. And then it goes into the backside. So they don't look too bad. This is solid. Quarter panel drop-offs, not looking too bad. I think you can see them from without the mirror. So they got some factory undercoating on them. They're not bad, they're fair. And the right rear drop-off. Second here. Right rear drop-off. Looks pretty nice. Needs some repair right along there. So it's nothing major. It's not a rust bucket, but there is some rust. Okay? Okay, inside the trunk. Down there along the bottom, needs some repair. Wheelhouse, not bad. Okay, down in here, around the trunk seal where they always rot out, this is evident of that. Needs some repair. Other than that, the channel doesn't look too bad. Up there, take a look at it. And right in here. Pretty common for the 7071. It's all original car. What you see is what's going to be there. No surprises other than this, you know, unveiling a 1970 car. Deck lid doesn't look too bad. Okay. So, rear window trim, not bad. Okay, so inside needs a complete interior. Oh wait, I want to go over one more thing underneath. So, there's the underneath back there, floorboard. Moving forward, not looking too bad. And then there is some, this is a rusted area right in here. So that's carpet there, so that's what you're going to be up against right in that area. But other than that, torque boxes look okay. Battery's getting low, so I'm going to wrap this up here pretty soon. So carpet's all original. Console, bucket seats. Okay? No tack. Does have a console, automatic. AM radio. Needs a dash pad. Needs a headliner. Back seats there, but you know, everything needs to be probably recovered. Needs a package tray in back. Door panels are sitting here, but they need some work. Okay. And we'll go over to the other side. There we go. Bucket seats. Rear seat. There's the passenger mirror. Somebody sat on it or something. So, there's the extent of it. GT car. Okay, non-AC. Let me know if you're interested. Actually, let me know if you want to buy. I think this is enough for information. Should be. Thank you for checking it out.